Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two social media tools, which is Metricool and Content Studio. So here I'm going to create a quick overview together with the strength and the weakness of this platform to help you make an informed decision. So to get started with a quick overview, Metricool is a powerful all-in-one social media and digital marketing analytic tools with a scheduling, performance tracking and competitors benchmarking, ideas for data-driven marketers and agencies. Talking about Content Studio on the other side is a social media management and content marketing platform offering AI-powered content creation, post scheduling, and content discovery designed for marketers and agencies with a content teams. Now, talking about the strength and weakness of this platform, which is Metricool, analyzing the strength, excellent analytics and reporting scheduling for the Google Ads and the web traffic. On the other side, this has a smart scheduling with a virtual calendar and also competitors benchmarking and hashtag tracking. Revealing the weakness of this platform, lacks built-in AI writing or content discovery tools. Also, the UI can feel more analytical than the creative. The collaboration features are limited in lower tier plan. Now, revealing the strength and weakness of Content Studio. To start with the strength, it has an AI writing assistance and a content planner. It also has a content discovery and evergreen recycling. It also has a workflow support for multi-users, teams, and clients, which is part of the strength of this platform. So, revealing the weakness of Content Studio, the social analytics aren't as in-depth as the Metricool. Also, the steeper learning curve for new users and less emphasis on paid ads or website performance.